In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Maps search history. If you've been looking up places and want to tidy up what shows in your recent activity, this walkthrough will make it simple and clear. Start on your PC by opening Google Maps in your web browser. Give the page a moment to load so the map and controls appear. We're going to use the built-in menu to get to your recent searches. Look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the side panel. This panel holds a lot of options, and the one we want is Recents. If your window is small, you might need to scroll a little in the panel to find it, but it's usually right there among the main items. Click Recents, and you'll see a list of places and searches you've recently viewed or looked up. This is your running log of recent activity, organized in a straightforward list so you can quickly find what you want to remove. Next to each destination, you'll see the option to delete it. Depending on the layout you're seeing, this may appear as the word delete, a small trash can icon, or show up when you hover your mouse over the item. Click Delete on the first destination you want to remove. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm, and the entry will disappear from the list. Continue working down the list, clicking Delete for each destination you see that you want to clear. Take your time, especially if you recognize items you'd like to keep. There isn't a bulk clear option in this view, so the process is intentionally one by one. That's actually helpful if you want to curate your list rather than wipe everything at once. As you delete entries, you'll notice the list getting shorter immediately, which is a quick way to see your progress. A couple of quick tips as you go. If delete isn't immediately visible next to a destination, move your cursor over the entry and look to the right side for the option to appear. If you don't see Recents in the menu at first glance, scroll within the menu panel and double-check you're in the main list, not inside a different subsection. When you're done, your Recents list will reflect only what you've chosen to keep. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleaned up your Google Maps search history on your PC using the Recents list, making future suggestions a little cleaner and your activity a lot more private.